Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the hidden font on your Instagram story called Papyrus. Papyrus is a hidden Easter egg font in Instagram, and unfortunately it only works on iPhones. So open your Instagram app. Now tap on the plus sign to post a story. Let's make a blank canvas. Now tap on the font option. Change your font to Comic Sans. Papyrus font can only be found using this font. Now type in Papyrus and you should see your font change. Papyrus font is different as it has rough edges, irregular curves, and high horizontal strokes in the capitals. Now you can delete the word Papyrus and type in anything you like. And that is how to find the hidden font called Papyrus on Instagram stories. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to this channel as it really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you get alerted for the next video. If you found this video useful, then please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.